back my torque wrench off. That's another little tech tip for everybody out there. If you are into using torque wrenches, if you use them a lot like you should, never leave it stored with it wound up to a torque value. Anytime you're putting it away, always wind it down either to the lowest number on the scale or even a little bit below, because it's a spring in here, right? It's a spring that causes the head to click. I should be able to do 20 foot-pounds worth of, maybe not, but on the lower number ones, you can actually just grab the head and you can make it click. So there's a spring in here, and when you wind the handle up to a higher number, it's just tightening the spring up. So if you leave it at, say, 150, leave it in your toolbox, then if you wind it down and the next time you go up to 150, it might not be 150 anymore, it might be 130, because you've stretched the spring and left it like that. So anytime you're not using it, as soon as you've done the job, wind it all the way back down, either to the lowest number or even a little bit below that.